Hello everyone, and welcome to another video by S&V. This time, we are showcasing the latest edition of the SPARTA system. Please hold on to your questions till the end of the demonstration. What you are seeing right now is the login screen of the system. With a brand new interface, and fresh designs, the latest version captures what SPARTA truly is. A catalog management tool that ensures the right part, with the correct quantity, at the right price, at the right time. It ensures that you, as an organization, never again lose track of your data, and have a clean, solid view, whenever the need arises. So without further ado, we will go ahead and log in, using master credentials, for the sake of this demo. What you see on your screen right now is our taxonomy that has been developed over 50 man-years. Cutting across industries, whatever you need to create, you will find here. From attributes to attribute values, to synonyms that are used globally, everything is available in the system. This allows you to describe any material you want, irrespective of how it's described by your organization. We can even enrich the same with your data dictionary or taxonomy. Moving on to see these in action. From a rich, inbuilt taxonomy, developed over decades, to seamless workflow creations, multiple language compatibility, and mass upload functionalities, SPARTA 2.1 is an innovation in its own right. Today we will be giving you a brief overview of the system along with a detailed explanation of each screen, and the system's many functionalities. So strap in your seatbelts, and let's dive right in. Let's take a scenario to explain things better. Hemdeep is a cataloger who works in a leading aerospace firm, and has a few tasks to do today. The one on high priority though, is to check whether the plant has any units of a particular SKU, and if not, create a request for the same, and add any information so as to ensure approval through the workflows. In this demo, Hemdeep will be going through two levels of workflows. Coming back to our tasks, let's begin with our first one, and that's searching for the particular SKU class. You will notice that Hemdeep doesn't even have to touch the keyboard as everything can be done via mouse clicks. If you so desire, you can even use our powerful voice-to-text feature, to just speak out what you need. Let's search for an abrasive. You see that a host of materials come up. Now Hemdeep needs to check if the material has the correct details updated or not. If required, he will update some data on the system so it can be treated as a new create request. Let's click on this small eye icon that will show you the details for this particular class. As you see, there are certain missing values under attributes, that in fact, are present in the long and short description. To rectify, you can update the same here, and then request for approval through relevant workflows, or create a fresh request like Hemdeep by clicking on the requests option on the left side panel. Let's go ahead and create a request to add a material. We will go ahead and click on the required option so we enter the workflow. After entering the create request workflow, he will be able to see all of the details related to the page. Here he can edit any details about the material. This he can do by clicking on the relevant data fields as is being pointed out on the screen. Hemdeep will also upload an updated image of the material. Let's create a material, ball valve, as all relevant information for an abrasive are complete in the system. As Hemdeep puts in information, you will notice how the long and short descriptions are automatically generated in the box on the right. He will also add an updated image for a ball valve to showcase the powerful media edition ability of the new edition. But wait, Hemdeep got a call from the plant director, and it seems that some of the information he updated isn't accurate. Additionally, some new information has just come in, and the create request needs to be enriched further. So he will go ahead, and just update the data fields, thereby showcasing the entire ease of the process. He will also be adding the manufacturer details as they have also just hit his email. Now Hemdeep will go ahead, and enter the manufacturer and supplier details, such as the name, source, etc. Enter the data type, and he is all set to add the supplier information. Once done, as part of best practice, Hemdeep will verify the details once more, update missing information, before he clicks on Save. Click Save. Now, let's look at the unique 360-degree view of the material Hemdeep just created. You will see the long description, short description, any new media additions, and even the attribute values being pointed on the screen. A final check before confirming. Once he is satisfied that everything is in order, Hemdeep is going to go ahead and approve the request from his end. For this demo, he will approve the request via 2 levels of workflow, but the final approval will not take place here as a VPN needs to be connected for the same. However, he will show us the process, and the associated UI screens. Now suppose the approver is on vacation, what then? The system comes with an excellent functionality called delegation. As is being showcased on the screen now, you can easily delegate any workflow request to someone else in the organization. You can even set the time period for whence you will be gone, and delete the delegation request if you are back earlier than expected. Now before we jump into the dashboard, there are a few powerful functionalities Hemdeep would like to show you. First being the image search. If he clicks on the camera icon, a pop-up asks for a URL of an image. Let's go ahead and insert one. As expected, related information about that particular image is now being displayed on the screen, a unique feature of solutions in this domain. We are also working towards making SPARTA truly mobile via an Android application. However, that's another demonstration video, for another time. Well, that was most of what SPARTA is, and what it can do. However, let's take a quick look at the dashboard that has also undergone several changes both from an UI and functional perspective. As you can see, we have made several enhancements, and our user can now quick view things like pending requests, incomplete requests, and many more. You can also see the number of requests coming in per month, and provides a good view of things, including the request we just demoed. In a way, the dashboard helps you maintain the quality of your data, and SLAs as well. You can even view reports that can be found on the sidebar. Let's show you the value standardization reports. These reports help you keep a track on your attributes, classes, and other values. Apart from the dashboard and reports, SPARTA also has a powerful mass upload functionality. Let us show you the feature before wrapping things up. The mass upload functionality allows you to upload an Excel file with the required headers and data. You don't need to convert to a .csv file, thereby affording you more flexibility. The user needs to input the data in the template document provided. Go ahead and download it. We will then insert some random values, and check if the same show up in the preview. Finally, the system enhances flexibility further, via the ease of addition of new attribute values in the dictionary. It includes just a few clicks and you are good to go. Here, we will add an attribute value of 5 inches to the class valve, and subclass ball. The SPARTA 2.1 edition also has a powerful mass change feature. For example, the user can make changes to multiple records at one go itself. The screenshots and the annotations give you a brief peek at the same. The entire process is as simple as a few mouse clicks. The example being shown before you replaces a particular value with the letter B. Finally, the system is also enabled with a material BOM functionality. It allows you a complete view of a particular material class, and what elements make up the same. It can be depicted pictorially as well. The user can easily create a workflow request to make any changes to the BOM. Again, the SPARTA 2.1 edition ensures that all you click is the mouse button, thereby reinforcing ease of use as compared to other solutions in the market. And with that, we have come to the end of this demonstration video. Thank you for your time and patience. As always, think data, think S&V.